If you want a television or streaming device like the Mi Box and Nvidia Shield, and many others with Android TV built in, you will want to have the essential apps installed to get the best experience. Coming up, I will show you 5 of the top apps, the Google Play Store in various categories, you should install on your device running Android TV, and we're starting right now. First up in no particular order is Netflix. If you just woke up from a 15-year coma, Blockbuster Video is essentially dead thanks in part to Netflix, which is one of the most popular streaming services for watching TV shows, movies, and documentaries. It supports 4K video and HDR. On most devices, Netflix comes pre-installed. Otherwise, you can download it from the Google Play Store with the most recent price increase plans now start at $899 per month. If you prefer to get your news from more reliable sources than Twitter or Facebook, the free Haystack TV app just may be what you're looking for. It allows you to choose from a variety of topics and interests from the sources you trust the most. At this time, there are more than 100 local and international news sources for you to choose from. Haystack TV has a great layout that is almost near perfect on any TV. Now for something completely different. Puffin TV is a web browser that has been optimized for users of Android TV to watch videos, listen to music, and surf the internet. You can sync Puffin with your phone and create bookmarks using QR codes, compared to a web browser you would use on a PC or on a phone. It does take some time to get familiar with it. Quite honestly, while not being perfect, it does seem that Puffin TV is moving in the right direction. Of the several weather apps we've tried out, the Cool Weather is our favorite. It includes a ton of information. Local forecasts for locations worldwide are displayed with location, day and night weather forecasts, severe weather warnings, the UV index, and a whole lot more. You also get the option to display the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Pluto TV is a free must-have app if you're a cord cutter. It offers more than 100 live channels in various categories offering TV shows, sports, news, and other programs. They also offer 1,000 seconds of movies on demand. Their grid is similar to what you'd find the cable service, showing you the programs available on each channel. Thanks for watching. This video was useful for you. Give it a thumbs up and share with others if there's an app that you feel should have made this list. Let us know about it in the comments. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when we release our new videos here on NAFI Tech.